Right guys, mayroon akong isi-share sa inyo guys. Gusto nyo ng isang propane tank? Yan. Dalawang Venturi and 2-3 spade pipe. Kit burner. Guys, may nagtatanong pala guys. Why? Bakit daw? Why? Why single flame lang yan? To be honest with you guys, ang baboy kasi guys, yung part ng belly niya, medyo manipis. Subukan nyo magluto ng belly lang. Belly, it only takes 2 hours. Pero pag nagluto kayo ng lechon, 4 hours. So, kailangan ko pa bang ipaliwanag? Okay. Kasi guys, yung shoulder and butt is makapal. So, kung 50 pounds or 60 pounds ang lulutuin yung lechon or baboy, lechon baboy, yung shoulder and part niya is thick. So, meaning, you need to cook 60 pounds. Ako, niluluto ko ng 4 hours. Pero kung magluluto ka lang ng belly alone, it only take 2 hours. So, yan ang reason kaya ginawa nating single flame sa gitna. Kaya kung maobserbahan nyo rin guys, yung mga nagluluto sa Pilipinas, kahit yung uling, yung iba, they remove the charcoal on the middle. So, they only focus on butt and shoulder. Kasi yun ang kailangan nilang lutuin. And then later, isasabay na nila yan. Pero, yung small amount na yan, magkikip pa rin yung balat niya as crispy. Kaya kailangan mo pa rin yung may small flame. Yan lang yan guys. Nothing special. Again guys, disclaimer, hindi ako expert. Lahat ng expert guys, nasa langit. Tayo nasa lupa pa. So, I'm still learning along the way. That's Tolits. Okay guys? Yan, that's the only reason kaya ko ginawang single flame sa gitna. I hope that helped. Okay guys? Everyone can replicate. Hindi ako ang una nito guys. Hindi ako ang pioneer. I'm not claiming. I'm not an expert. I just know how. And I simply perform. Guys, marami akong kilalang magagaling guys. Mas magagaling pa sa akin. But the question is, they don't have time to do it. They don't have time to fabricate. Pag sinabi nila, magaling sila. Yeah, right. That's it. You don't need to expend single explanation to them because you don't own something from them. Ganun lang kasimple guys. Tayo guys, ginagawa natin. We simply perform, fabricate, and share our ideas. Ganun lang si Tolits guys. Ganun lang kasimple si Tolits. Okay? Hope that helps. Salamat!